Ikpa. Which person Ikpa? I beg. You only that one you don't want.
I heard he was a reverend father.
I beg, my brother, my sister, wait, hold on.
Wait. We are
Analyze
going to
and
report
wait, that part.
Papa, stop.
Wait,
Host Mundia.
Analyze
Analyze that
we are
part.
going to report Eloghosa. I personally am going to report Eloghosa to law enforcement agency here in Italy.
Eloghosa, if you
have a question to answer.
if you don't apologize, make a video to apologize. Eloghosa
have a question to answer about the reverend
No, you are mad.
Oh yeah, go on.
I'm not supposed to say that, but you insulted my parents. You are stupid. You know Roto farm. I have 5 that I would do everything you buy me. The craze. If you say that, they respect you.
If you're not even if you're not
my sister, I beg, young woman, do my sister. I beg a pigeon English. The thing be say, I don't go. May I just tell you something? I want all the atrocities when Eloghosa do. You start from Eloghosa. They know the atrocity when mama and papa do. We want to hear everything. As if you could narrate them to us.
I have said that before. I can't do that anymore.
But if Eloghosa can insult your own dead father, so who is Eloghosa's mother and his useless father that you cannot insult? What are you telling me? Okay, my lovely sister. Listen. Can you please, hello, listen to me, my lovely sister. Can you please explain to the audience how Eloghosa use spy, not use the word K. How Eloghosa spied somebody. Can you please explain to us which school Eloghosa go when they talk so that's when you get BHT, that's when you get BTC, that's when you get Ogwongbinye team. So we want
Eloghosa did not go to school.
So please explain very well, my sister. Please, we want to, as in people are recording it. Because if Eloghosa can come out to insult your dead father, your late father, to accuse him of what he never did. You understand? So you have every right to also say everything. Don't keep any secret for him. Because it's a nuisance. You understand what I'm saying? So let's go there, my sister. Just explain. The school where you go the talk, say that so you be professor, I take my person, just explain everything. My brother, my sister, talk everything. Talk everything.
Eloghosa said, now so his father sacrificed his life for his family. Eloghosa, you are a liar. Eloghosa, when my father was working with a white man, my father saved money with your father. When my father stopped working, he came to meet your father. Brother, where is the money? Your father used the money to play coupon and spend it on your useless mother. That man was so frustrated that makes him.
My sister, wait. Are you trying to tell us that Eloghosa's late father, the late Eloghosa's father, was a gambler?
Yes, he was. Okay. He was a gambler. Yes.
I know, my sister.
Was a gambler. Frustrated the enemy, like my father's enemy, went to the village. He started working as a farmer, went back to square one. Your father does not have it. Your father was it.
Please, let's power tap. Please.
I'm sorry to say, I want to pick this call. I will come back. I want to pick this call.
All right, we are waiting for you, my sister. We are waiting for you.
Okay, please, everybody, let's power tap. Let's power tap. Everybody, power tap.
Hey, Gabla, he Eloghosa,
and the same money I back for long. A page you need the same type page. Otima allow say I repost a big page video. Ovia the way ala mo here Betty. When I repost a page, no matter where particular one we repost.
My brother, forget to do. Eloghosa is not. Eloghosa.
No, okay, what do I wear? If one night or money, or guy or money. I mean, all day.
You people don't know. I will continue and I will keep on telling you guys this thing. My dope brothers and sisters all over the globe. I'll keep on telling you guys this truth. Eloghosa was deceiving every one of us all this while. Eloghosa now, he don't show the true best way in be. So we should be happy. The Macmillan cannot let don't know that way. Oh, you my mama. Why get my son, ma? Oh, Salobari, man, any cannot let over here, man, where oh, my right from time. Did you know? We are for no. Eloghosa. You see, say baby sky or single segado, and also went there to destroy that platform by bringing all those equal to useless Yariba boys and the SMB boys there. You understand? And when you as an adult person, please mute. Put me for moderator. Anybody will come up mute. If you don't mute, yeah, move, yeah, move. You understand? If you as an adult man or adult woman, go to the same platform and this time maybe baby sky they work. Then like the one that was an elderly person, a real adult man, could not stop him. I didn't know. I don't know if he was afraid or he was scared of this idiot. And no son of so when we are not told again one. He was fooling everybody. Then when you go up there to tell anybody where this idiot and Eloghosa bring come up, though they begin the trauma, tell us and say, no, don't worry, let me debunk them, like seriously. Then when you attack those kind of people, you tell them, say, calm down, or go kill you. Eloghosa will be laying curse on himself and his generation. Eloghosa will ask the moderators to drop you. So, see, man, I don't see this thing for a very long time that Eloghosa was an Ogunyoba. Eloghosa is cursed. Eloghosa never liked us. Eloghosa was never on our side. Eloghosa went to the Sky platform just to build his own platform to take followers from there. That was what he was doing, and nobody.
Guys, you don't put you for moderator.
Okay, nobody saw it. All the things he was doing, and the thing he said, me medite borano. Mama, go and finish now. The thing was this: baby sky. Sometimes she go one react, but due to say baby sky, they're sorry for her because say Eloghosa they under the mango tree because Eloghosa they for street for Torino. She was feeling sorry for this motherfucker. Eloghosa they under the mango tree. Under the mango tree. Eloghosa they beg for food under the mango tree. My pikin they abroad, my first one there for Italy, our market. First one where they sleep for street. First son where not get house. First son that is cursed. Me our first son will be cursed. Like Eloghosa. Eloghosa is cursed. But my dumb people, you guys never noticed this. I noticed this from the very beginning. I noticed this whole thing from the very beginning. I said, this boy is an Okyupa. He's an enemy to us. He will go to everybody's platform. He will go to all the those platforms. He go want to go there close to them. Whereas he was using our young brothers and sisters to build his own platform as an Ogyoba platform. Today, Uncle, that's what he's doing right now. So nobody should say, hey, we don't see all these things. We should be thankful to our great ancestors that our ancestors has brought him out. That our ancestors don't make us know. Say Eloghosa was never one of us. He was never a part and parcel of us. He was never amongst us. Eloghosa is cursed. So my adult people, if you are doing no, why get who work part in bed? What get level but you are more good better than more pogbe. What get level where any cow you're by my money. Oh, you buy no who done. So I really thank our great ancestors for all these things we don't do for us. Do you know? You know that okay, na ketana where emunobe la jeredero logo salobwa. Oh salobwa na where salobwa na where ni ma lerun no ri wo ri do no ri ba we mi no ma wo le ni ye do ya we no he amu edogbo to bi eke ne ni ka o fe ye ya wa ni asun. That's what is going on right now. That's what is happening right now. So what are we talking about? We should all be grateful. We should all be thankful to our great ancestors that our ancestors of revealing the identity of this evil boy. We should be grateful to our ancestors. Any kawaya wa wese, ebokpanya wa wese. At the end of the day, you give me a doctor. Any cow, oh, look, not give me a double pay and only I've been away. In a way, even if you do you have a no matter your we are begging of your fear, oh, my goodness, sopping. I know what's my time where I know what's our market. Imatama wege fagala wegbe. Eloghosa me mata mu wege tuga yegbo ma me dokpa. Ayegbe ma. Enagba enu pe gborodo. Ugora gboya o wa neni agboya bere we ni e. Emi ni bere mo pate bere. Opiaro kori dare eni o. Eloghosa turasu. Wo. What the bella de notice do I don't back here.
Man in your
look at me. Oh, yeah, no so was a bad blood. Eloghosa has gone back to his roots. We should all be grateful and thankful to God. Eloghosa has gone back to his roots. When they called him an SMB. All of you, even my sister said, yes, we say Beno. I saw everything. We say Beno. They talk everything. I don't hear people. Me and you feel quarrel, Nana. So long you walk your bar or anything. Now people don't even get time with you. As I quarrel with you, the next second, I don't even know whether me and you quarrel. I can see you tomorrow and we'll argue. That's me for you. But when you get that, don't get that spirit. My spirit can never move with your spirit. My spirit can never accept you. Because the agata with TV to go bed the wow. And you can have you wayama. Cannot walk and no. Oh, but why I rest my case for now.
Bless you, see you, not feel good. You were the younger cancer with him. So when I be where do I mean no be soon that way. Who when Eloghosa no mama na nemo one nemo there no be guiding no re one room be communita o asun wo ma gbon we hin ege tori no na gele ai tori no na me o baby where you dey o ha you we boys tori no ha you we sekeni age o when you do boys donire tori no ya loto we vai o ma gbon we hin when they go on with a polo no jepo a pole one euro ben dans select no jo e go am with be o na go me more in the live video awe ga o gan na we turn on with you no e pack you no na won o agbe o bagbon ibi morokino ogbu we tori no ni we me mi ropa ibi morokino obi ni azazan jo so pa kan akọ ma bulufo o ma gbon won no e webo won no tori no do you know tori no me did o emanire tori no ni we my hand because we all magbon me I was calling you tori no we
mama you know now here went Torino in Nigeria Torino was in Nigeria I see ile lo the day here le we here he said him that Torino we give he mo bobo because Torino here walk bona the street
akabo me Torino
abanu abe na so ba adeso e ara wa banu o ma we kede ti o ba le gbe no na ya mo ni no la chastare eje abanu wa
Natami oekere natami oe wala wa agui let's continue okay wa give me nota o Those of you that are not aware. Okay, let's see. What did happen now? Oh my God.
Which is true, I will start from her. No problem. Have you heard what Ile said?
I'm scared of you guys. Yeah, you are a foolish man.
Paul by waters. I beg. You say make you no play him.
I'll advise him to change.
Say that again. Eloghosa said you should not play Ton's voice. No, because she's insulting me though. I wanted to. All right, say that. Don't worry about it. Because I said I want to record. I want to record what she said. She said I should show her my boxes. She just talking. I don't want to insult this woman. She just talking. Said I'm a village man. I should show boxers. Between Ito and Paul, who is a village? I can imagine someone that crossed water to do prostitute calling me a village man. Not to have. I'm a graduate.
She came to pay 50,000 euros.
Yeah, someone that's a prostitute. We call them prostitutes. That's your terrible brasses. That's what we call them, brasses.
Your mother, you this useless idiot. And your mother.
No.
You not sure your bola. You say me you sure as bola no Wagner. Okpo idiot. Is your mother not Okpo? Is your mother not an ashawo? No soon Wagner. Una face everybody. Any woman when you call brother ashawo they be. Wagner. Look at somebody that is talking. You this homeless idiot. You call yourself. You have degree. You have this in the UK. Somebody that really has a life in the UK will not be constituting kind of nuisance you're constituting right now. You that calls yourself this idiot. Say me I show my boss, I show my bet. Why you not show your bosses before? Are you mad? Oh, put your prick. We want to see your prick. We want to check something. You this motherfucker. You this useless idiot. You were there for UK. You're not there okay. You are useless. You are cursed. Look at somebody you are calling a professor. Somebody when not go school finish. You cannot even call Eloghosa an undergraduate. Eloghosa not even there. You're not even qualified to be called an undergraduate. They call him professor. You see how stupid you are. You go UK, go learn streets, go learn English, go change your tongue. With all this Jamaican people they sell drugs for streets. You call yourself that you are learned, you are this, you are that. A real person that is really educated, that is well learned. You understand? That is well read. Somebody will really go UK where you go do doctorate or nenemi degree will never come on TikTok and be blabbering the way you are blabbering. A re-educated man can never call a woman a prostitute. You see how foolish you are. That makes you stupid. That makes you a homeless dog just like Eloghosa that lives in Italy. You are a fool. You think you have mouth. You think you can talk. Have you ever seen a doctor on this TikTok talking the way you are talking right now? Have you ever seen somebody that went to school in the UK where they talk the way you think they blab now? It's only every France that talk like you. You say, what did they do with this? What did they do with all these people when they talk for social media, when they talk for TikTok? And at the end of the day, you don't join us now. You are even the one that is calling other women prostitutes when you know you have a mother. A really well-learned man, an educated man will never call other women prostitutes. That shows you are stupid. It shows you are an homeless cat. Go back to Nigeria and take care of yourself. Go and fix your life. Eloghosa lives in Italy. No, don't drop him. Bring him back. We can build him. Maybe now connection where he did. Eloghosa lives in Italy. He lives in Torino. Eloghosa does not have a life. Likewise, you. You want to help somebody that does not have a life. You that does not even have any life. You don't have. You want to help somebody like Eloghosa. Mad people. I'm not being back here. Or maybe back here. Look at you. Bunch of idiots. Any man that can come out to call women prostitutes, it means or it shows that man is an uneducated fool. A real man can never call women prostitute. Just because Eloghosa was falling for baby sky and Eloghosa could not even ask Baby Sky out as a
Madam, with
man.
this your character, you and your mama na shawo, you idiots.
Come on, get out of here.
God fire you. When
I don't talk finish, come back, then I will come for you. Come back, I'm here for you. Then I will not follow you up. Are you mad? Are you stupid? Are you stupid? You think it's every woman out there you can talk to? You think we the Benin, we the adult women, we are like this Yariba or Isembe women? No. We have pride, we have dignities. Go and look at Isembe histories. History. Isembe, all their mothers, they came to Benin to come do a shower for Ubagwe. You think that we just use her for sing? Now something called something. You understand what I'm saying? Now something called something. Eloghosa, you call yourself a man. You saw a woman where you say you did treat for. Instead of you to ask the woman out, you don't feel ask her out. Instead, you turn a slave. That means that's to show you that we the Benin women, adult women, we are too much. Now only Nyash, Baby Sky, Nyash you they look. You fall mugu from and he match you like a riffraff that you are. You are a very stupid idiot. He match you. And also you begin to use Baby Sky, Nyash. As you just set you not to shake your prick. Who was so? Baby Sky are your mates. Baby Sky, Baby Sky, you see her for dream, say you dey fuck Baby Sky or you dey look Baby Sky, Toto, or you kiss Baby Sky, you know to say, you mean Antano, ni awake baby boy. Your mother was a prostitute. You that slept with your own mother. The elder brother to your father slept with your mother. You are not saying anything about it. You this ex-convict. You this bandit. You will buy somebody. You come out here and be saying, I went to school. You this teacher training, what you call a child law boy. Where you go teacher training. You want to talk where people are talking. Even people that are really learned. People that are really educated, they will see that you Eloghosa, you are not even fluent in English. You are not fluent. You are not fluent in English language. Because the English way they speak, they go front, they go back. You are too dull for people to give you that grade. Say Professor Kini, Professor Kini Kon, the Professor Keda, Professor. A teacher training boy and a $1 boy. When you not even finish your $1, you come social media, they call it make man. Where are your degrees? You say, this one bring you YX result. This one bring you YX certificate. How far? You they call yourself, you they say people give you professor as a nickname. You they answer them. Okay, you claim them. Why don't you bring out your certificate as well? Bring out where if you say you get this one degree, first degree, second degree, bring it as we want to say. We want to say it. How can you, somebody that does not, you are not even fluent, you don't feel speak English directly. Then you, because say we the adult women, we the Benin women, the great Benin women, because we love our language, we know they like to they speak English, about camera cambo, then you feel we are idiots. Then you call my adult brothers, adult men, gallant adult men, you call them illiterate. You are a mad boy. I will tell you, adult men, 1 million adult men, they go show their certificates when they take go school, when they take get degree. But can you show yours? You go school for Italy. At the end of the day, you ended up under the mango tree. You ended up in the street of Torino. You madman. Somebody that really went to school. If you go school, you don't go there for street. You don't go even there for TikTok. You should be in an office. Now they call you Potato, Buongiorno. People go there. Italians go to hear you. Then you are young on TikTok. I don't want to work. I want to talk history. You this lazy idiot. You don't want to work. Then they put I want to talk history for my life. Are you mad? Are you mad? Go and work and go and feast yourself, my dear. Go and feast your useless self. You are useless and you are crazy. You know where you are mad. You are a psycho. Eloghosa, go and work on your brain. Eloghosa, go to rehab. TikTok professor, go to rehab. May you go rehab your brain because you are mad already. You are mad internationally. Mad Torino. Torinolically, yes. I speak that English with Torinolically. So wagbo. Sese guanto. Bojon. Habonisa. Wasuhungu. Is Italy. La wo one mas well as Italy. We finish here. Come baba.
So nimu mama gela dia mama wesi Deni nimu mama gela dia mama ge abi mama eri ono na mu mama gela dia a pot of soup
Come off ya be woman ni. Bona le woman street on na le abi ogwa na ya. Ogwa yo da lu woman ni no so go agbo. Ora wi to gbe.
Ime wada Emmanuel Torino wada call him for na we wa arun opa ni ati Eloghosa. Emmanuel call him be Torino any gbe 40 35 years in any delo wa ba ni me ya da call him for na wa Eloghosa. Anya yo no wa ro bi kwedo ya fefe be TikTok. Ya we ama we bi la paduza kan ga no ya ma ya we agba okoto gwalo. So you're going to phone me na ring by the Torino we call him na why Eloghosa. Yeah, we are my Emmanuel call him na those are people not be 30 years in Torino. Nigele Torino Bay, Torino men. Yeah, we are my Eloghosa. Na okay ni agba okoto social media TikTok at Eloghosa anya yo. Yeah, we are my that ye la paduza yakin. We la paduza wa bu Torino. E campe la paduza evani ya waje most of them ya we agba okoto
But no tani gbe do lo ke o meme o gba ma lo ke o meme ni what I would do Eloghosa I'm not joking yeah make a call the Torino mani me ti Nigeria boss if you have chicken con ni have me ati yin wa say if you have Albanese 100 naira 100 euro keke have ni iya gbo igbe ni awa gbo e se wa gbo egbo ki awon na nwi na ni e wa si tata video ya ego me
unu eni no ye na unu resolve di ni e wa
hello so me ya ne me sha o ma ri ko o ya ne Facebook ya tabo me we wa so me go wegbon me ya gbo we wa I go pity for us and you dey cry no go answer you
abi e we ko ya we ama o
Wagagu woman.
This is homeless professor cooking up a soup. They say I am homeless, I am jobless. Look at it, I'm doing my thing on. You even know now, as usual, this is where I do my thing. Your familiar, this place is familiar. You know now, when I look at Pios Obelo soup video and this one, this is where I am.
Yes. Ogbolo no mi oweje agbe o ba gbon na wo yin wo e wa kan me
o e wa to mi owo edero o e na le this yero
Umo we ko api
Homeless professor is cooking up Obelo soup. Here for Obelo soup thick.
o edero ati
Homeless professor.
Umo me maka nyo wero ya le unda
My fish, I'm going to put inside.
I'm here for cool so after you don't knock out for nyash now 5 euro take go the best person will get this kitchen 10 euro just to give and say I bet me I cook your post and make them know say I dey house but on the street today idiot homeless cat
emo wa Eloghosa wa fi an wo jera bi ogun ga gbo ye gbo o meme e ba me we can increase yeah a baby star
yeah where the sister the ex sister but I not be sister again why my sister we not do call me yakwa talk everything our ye man anybody want say me talk everything mama mute and be talking
waya gwale oge baby sky ogwa otale yakwa no de
iya call ni no drop iya call me drop. So no go except you know that
yeah we was so bo what to we I don't need
okay, baby sky man.
Hello, sir. Why you pay? You want to be down? They may trust on you. Only all telling me for.
Okay, baby sky. Why you go okay, baby sky?
Just Vivi. A second name now talk everything. Just Vivi. No matter how your lovely brothers and sisters go call you rich, you must talk everything. Because Eloghosa ultimately, if Eloghosa insult your dead father, laugh for a head. Who is Eloghosa? His useless father and his ashawo mother. Well, you know, come talk everything, finish for their body. You must talk everything, my sister. If anybody come on, body every day.
Otale no de. I mean, your plan no matter no de. Ija. Unless you man record there, even if a man in what 3+ in my. Yeah, what you know, you give information to man me back comment. On stamp Eloghosa.
Give me plotting.
Baby, I can't work here, but a pipe, man, I know de.
Power.
So, epa. Maimie yaka was a pie. Maimie pro that's. He might have been here, but why?
You record the Eloghosa no talent. I mean, your plan no matter no de. No why I think go on no send the video ni do one. Ija.
Why Eloghosa no sungu. E party to
for that one. Eloghosa na feel do that.
Asi ri kokon yin ri ya wuyi. Ya se gbe ati ege o ti mana ge. O sikidi. Ogbe ya yese. Anything only asking me like the no ye. If I banana la Eloghosa gbona fi ekun le ran sungu. No gun back bon.
Nana miegwe ona finu gie iwie do that your where me stand do okay where ona do arobi agbon ya. That is why I involved in this issue. If not, I wish you all my business face the people when you face am. I for no even talk.
Me too. Okay, if you get problem, me and you get issue. You talk to me. Where do you wear? No bagbon. And also you do artistry. I'm well the platform of every dog the platform in Ogbe. What you telling no je? Who don't go the platform of Eloghosa was the person, was the one that got that history not born. I bet me and mute Jerry. I heard the verse.
The truth is that he use a baby scar platform to get more influence and more view, more follower.
The same thing I was trying to tell her.
Eloghosa na 1,000. That time get for 1,100 something. 1,000 something plus. Now you get that time. When they do am, when they talk about all this history, nobody they watch am, including us, will not they go there. That time, Muna no verse. Sometimes we go only do comment section.
Let people come they follow am because
he just go start take get more fame. So you don't get the fame now. Not when they talk at that time for your platform, nobody they go there. Nobody they go there. So ever no. And no do I feel no do I give money here though. Or I get a camera for no even come for am. Wait till cause me. Okay. I for no even come put platform say I can respond to this animal. Now the way we take the insult yesterday.
Watch out. 10 people, 8 people, nobody knows him. That time people know as a madman. Then he used that useless Ogunyoba strategy. And also I'm telling you now, you are not an Ogunyoba, but you are an upcoming and a semi. Whereas Osemasu Ototeko, why do I tell about talk when Bell about Eloghosa? You are about but we are going to platform anyway. If not, you are the right me. My back by me. Yeah, boy.
Eloghosa soon for national peace to reign. Mama, your side then, you're the echo. If you want to talk, you can mute. If you don't talk, you see mute.
My side.
All where sister Vina.
Mommy Felicia. Yeah, started Mommy Felicia was making noise.
So,
Wana no sunu. Ogion baige moki face no sun. One of ya go power tapi. I get blocking nene.
Wese me ma begi ya.
Ogion ba do power
When
tapi
me
mana.
block on the more than 300 times. No sun.
Eze yo osun wo ha mu e. Do agbe ma power type. Lare governor when I see him ogion baige mana na mwere. Me ma understand the way governor.
Power tapi ni.
Na mogion ba dey. Na mogion ba dey. Oga kpatakpata of them all. Wama.
They will not do it, man. Now what?
Tèmi àmì ọ̀wà pàmò ní òkè fèsì ọ̀fọ́ wà bàbá yóò ibi rẹ̀ tán àwọ̀ àpilọ̀fọ̀ mi àmì ẹ̀rẹ̀ wá.
Eloghosa.
Àti ẹ̀rẹ̀ àfọ̀zù àmọ̀kùn àwọ̀ ìwà rẹ̀ gbé àwọ̀.
So Eloghosa ẹ̀bọ̀ náà gbéra ọ̀wọ́rẹ̀ ìwẹ̀. So you need ní àyà zọyìn. Ni azoin we worry because as a senior son now you go read that course. Yes, boy read so a born your worry we now. You understand? Because me ba uwegi refua uwegi sack. Yeah? Brother, okay.
Oh, brother.
Platform Eloghosa me kede wa ban.
Wọ́n sùn mọ́ bàbá.
Me mamo bo be are social media very oni kedwa de.
Wa ga ki ye ba ni wa ki agbe ba ni. Wa ya we.
When we do here, be je wa ni wa ban na we Eloghosa. So a two face na we, a face na we me kedga de we na ka ye edo ya gada e France ni. Ina we even we show we gadi na we jina. Even where who believe the guiding away. Now, we shall wear man we very believe ye, even we believe ye. Away now okay. Time a lily, not how we do up back. Anyway, okay. No. You know, we're here with a very simple question. You don't know where. When time a lily no how we, no you know how we do up back a goya. The tell na we. E man agbo e comment section we. When they did a little time we no tell me no a very simple question no or no. No ma bere we Eloghosa na we. E guide na no we na lili yan ka we e boy na o we do. What do agbon yan do e. We o we ka no. What do agbon yan do e. All those kind of things. Awa agari sorte e ka e boy na e gbo e ladian o. But I sorted do boy na ladian or do I defended do or what we ka him. Okay, when Eloghosa no me there o giore e ka dai de e den of agbo de obi obano iye keta la jamuru na we obi obano even a den to boy obi tama we obi oban. You know, when you met another we ogiwani, there your baby no we ka we a door ba e go yak. Na we lo so ma be kinu jina. O ma na are guiding na mana gwalo or guiding ne ogian eji. Agari ba e wota kan gbe. Gbe so e ba na e wo e apo le gbe.
Kakaba.
History
and the àtàwọn àti ẹ̀dẹ́ náà fagbọ́ ẹ̀zẹ̀ ìyẹn tó fíìmù wá gbé má bẹ̀rẹ̀ òkè ọ̀bà mi ẹ̀yà ni unyime dán.
Ẹ̀gẹ̀ náà yà fèlì wẹ̀ yẹ́dọ̀ ó pa màṣá ó sẹ́ nà. So èmi náà nà wẹ̀ wú náà nìyà ẹ̀gẹ̀ náà yà fèlì wẹ̀ bá náà yà ẹ̀gẹ̀ gèlè mẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀ náà rí. They have already give you that time but who where you want to gather fans like all those Ogioba, all those kind of things. But form egbe. Yeah, what about all those 24 bits even when I you know ya pa misika. Kweru wene. The platform here do akpe inwe do bani. All those things bani ya akpe ne relu we so asalo. Udu aka we man ni aka we Ogioba ya hin. Eyan president na. We men ni oni do we. Yeah, only we do well because yeah, beg we obuwera adinya begbe.
And you better was one.
Yeah,
What's the man do mugwe? What's the man do mwe baspo? What's the man do mwe? You better was one. You said him way amuna. And I said it be behind.
But you message me egbegume where no be ka ya de ba do. All those kind of to be in the do we ka e ri ma fa te wo ne. Na we wo kan ha ma stream. E da me bi je me wan do ba da me bi je me ha ma stream. And we can ha me do believe. And we can do kan me when they gbi do kan ma me we eri e ka we do opa. Eri do gbe le ka eri ya le te ka ho ni awo na. All those things we turn is rubbish. And your father is
akwenyere do akwenyere ka. Wa osifo me do e ka ho na osifo.
Eni do bu do ni a imu jare wa ni. Ide hero. Ige family me ige no. Ya fere wa ni. Iregwa. Oba egbe na. The whole of the calendar ya fefefe if you na tiere orogodo but ma do ati orogodo. So what are you going to tell me about Ika? What are you going to tell me? But if no ka bro ya balo megbe if you don't really believe him agbe easy omoruji tell me na be gani no na ka gbezo amede de gbezo kere una to afilu pe die is your moruji ije era eno na una so afilu pe gian let me na ka bo ge Eloghosa na we to wa do de by do we go
ni agani eketi e ikwedo asawo
you know where David is your moruji gi una we na wa we ni na ya fefe is your moruji na ta gani we bo e na e two face no me no ji e je do me nwa we gbe
eso ni ma we kan o eso ni ma kan eru we gu eso ni ma we kan ona mo move
you don't ma believe we gani I wait me ka ya ma bi me we do eri me se do
we la the 4 months ago we no be ta no be debi o ime yin na ya yin no wa ga yin bi e go bi gba e ma wa si e no de you je ni ma gba e ne ma gogo if you do not tell wa ma mi me robo
is your more you see beyond all these things before you know the kind of person Eloghosa is and the Benin people they will, if you just see praises for them they will just believe you once I don't know why. I don't know why.
Every man, every green, we are too lovely. We are lovely people.
That's why we are Libra.
Okay. Make I show you where the sign for start to the come out. Where Benin people don't know. Now I show you the sign. Again, when I come Sky platform one day, Edo person go they talk. If person like 25 to life, or maybe Lily just come up, he can't they talk. What do you want to explain? The man who you don't say insult your papa and your father. Then you go say make that Edo person make it shut up first.
Exactly. You go say me the mute Edo person, make the
Edo person.
Ogyoba talk.
Make Ogyoba talk. And the baby Sky go mute that person. You go even the game. I don't know why. So no see the sign that time.
Come here, Sky. You only worry winner. I'm a moderator. A moderator. You want to mute money? Ha megize either way. Oh, all those things on ya. Either way. Or is there one more go egg bag I have to make? Oh, what you go either way. Equal. Oh, see on ya.
Make more people come, make they can't deceive me, make I become say I be a car person, make I begin fight to do. More na come on as on the pilot one day I go begin the post on a chat, on they the chat me. I go they post down one by one. The only thing the person when I go expose pass, I will tell you say me you chat me for WhatsApp, I'll give you my WhatsApp platform. I'll come expose you for here. So
that is say you be person way no know your see I tell one no my neck book here soon go back bo. Is are we not
married now?
Udoka, you are welcome.
Please, you are welcome, sir. Udoka, I really want to appreciate you for good work. May God continue to bless you and our ancestors continue to protect you and bless you for being
Amen.
neutral.
Amen.
All these
Udoka is the
days.
son of the soil. He has proven it.
May God continue to
In
bless you,
fact,
sir.
1 million
I really
times.
appreciate you.
May God continue to bless you, Udoka.
Please talk to
May
us,
God
sir.
continue to bless you.
Talk to us.
These are sons of the soil.
I agree the answer. Now, good afternoon. Now, this our brother when they up here now, because of him make me send request because I see the guy for the other platform that time, and I did them when they question him. Me, I won't really know the guy because me no know him. If true, he not from Eka. I won't know the part of Eka when he come from, and which area when he come from.
Okay, brother.
Abo,
Bros,
Okay, are you there?
I did. I was born and brought up in Edo State, but I'm from Eka, Alishime,
you are
Idumuku.
from Alishime.
Yes, Idumuku to be precise. My house day back of that secondary school.
For Alishime.
Yeah, for Alishime, Idumuku.
Idumuku from Agbobi enter.
Yes, from Agbobi. You know Agbobi Market. Before you reach Agbobi Market.
I know Agbobi market now.
If you pass Orikezi, if you pass Orikezi,
I know Rikozi.
yes, if you pass Orikezi
Uh-huh.
tomorrow, that will be road. You just dey follow am. Then from there you go enter my village.
When you enter TikTok,
I don't dey since now. Since when this matter start, I just dey. I be not dey talk. I just dey comment section. You understand?
you
But
did the okay. You know the reason why they ask you this question because everything about the car people when we they do, I never see you, I never notice say you be a car person. Now today when you talk and say you be a car, because you know the reason why me I dey ask you this question. You see these people when surround us, most of them, their mission na to knock our head together to bring problem to cause confusion because you see many something wey suppose to bring problem between we and Edo people before which some of my people I get very big problem with them now. Na question like this again when dem ask Eloghosa e trigger something then because if you dey platform when they dey throw question concerning Eka and Edo, if maybe I dey your position, me I no go answer those kind of question. E get some kind question wey dem go throw give you, my brother, you go just throway failure say no be you dey suppose to no be you dey ask that kind of question because that question dem dey ask you that question to trigger something else. You understand? Because dem now dey believe say because if you hear wetin that woman talk say if you be true Eka and I dey record you there and dem go send am give some of our people and if those people wey dem go send am give dem no dey matured enough dem go come dey react say if you na true Eka person that answer wey you give dem you know Eka person go give dem that answer. That one na to create problem among Eka and Edo people. And me personally, I don follow you and I want maybe you go follow me but me and you no be everything me and you go talk here. We go talk private so that if you dey go platform you go know how you go take dey guide yourself dey protect yourself to avoid something wey go bring no division or wey go bring confusion among us. If anywhere you go anybody ask you any question you go know how you go take guide yourself because all this kind of question they don throw this kind of question come several times they don throw this kind of question to me I know if you throw that kind of question come I know how me I go take push am I go push am through I go protect myself. Not everybody get that kind capacity to resist that kind of question. I take God beg you if they ask you those kind of questions again especially when anything when they concern Eka and Edo people when it comes to our history, my brother, avoid them. They no mean well for you. They try to create problem for us. Just try avoid them. Tell them say you no know. If the question too much for them, make them go palace, go ask them. For that, make palace give them the right answer. If they want know who Denny be, make them go palace of Denny, make them go ask Denny. You are not the right position to maybe to tell them who Denny be, to about Bini or who about Bini be to them. May if they won't know the true history, may them go palace, go ask them, then you go give them the right answer for them. Now wait till me I get to tell you. And I go still communicate to private. Me and you will need to talk.
Uduka, I listen to you. I really understand what they talk. You see that set of people, we don't say when I believe in them, but now I know they believe in them again. Because I know they believe in a set of people where we say you know the set of people where they tell you about a set of people like all these Iroro and all those people where they claim say they be a car because of some certain things where come happen where we say so kind area where I can't see them. So I know they believe in them. You know why they always they with Bini like this?
My brother, when I talk here, I not anybody name.
Baba, I beg, Mona no vex, Udoka, brother. When we just stand, Udoka, how you see these users when us are the constitute? Mo forget, we are one now.
Mama, me personally, I don't beg on say Mona no make this thing a topic, but some of our people they know they like to hear because
we are not making it a topic, but you know they see Eloghosa still they comment. My brother, you can you can stop some people, Mama, but you cannot stop everybody. No.